Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, March 8th, and we're going to take a look really quick at the S&P and more specifically, what's happened the past couple of days, and if you've been a member at Basecamp, why you've had very nice shorts here to the downside over the past couple of days. So what we were looking at, the first big thing we were paying attention to, and we've been watching this for the past couple of weeks, is all this resistance up here, right around 28.18. Where all these previous three pivot highs are, you can see there's kind of resistance zone in there. We kept popping up into it and pulling back down, popping up into it the other day when we pulled back down. And when we did that the last time, we formed what we call a one green finger. And a one green finger is that right there, where you have one green histogram bar. So it goes green, red, back to green again, and then right back to red. And that signals that, hey, there's a lack of buyers that's unwilling to rally, and watch for it to turn and start heading lower, which is what we have then proceeded to do. It's the exact opposite of what a one red finger is, which is what we had back here, where it went green, red, and right back to green, and that led to a nice rally for a couple of days. So what this is telling us is, hey, there's a lack of buyers, there's a lot of resistance, the market's going to go path of least resistance, and path of least resistance was to the downside. Now, the main thing we were watching here was the support down around 27.69, where we had kind of formed a base over the past couple of weeks, and ended up breaking through that yesterday and then followed through nicely today. And we got non-farm payroll numbers count, and they were saying we only added 20,000 new jobs, so a huge miss on non-farm payroll, largely due to government shutdown most likely, but that also helped propel indices even further down. So worked out really well. Great job to everybody took that trade, took the shorts, but pay attention to your momentum is the main point of today's video. Watch your momentum. When you see it's the buyer's turn to come in and the buyers fail, or when it's the seller's turn to come in and the sellers fail, a lot of times the market will snap and reverse the opposite direction really hard. So that's it for today, though. I will see you all bright and early on Monday morning. Have a great weekend, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy trading.